Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel ribbon crunch at home. First, let's gather our ingredients and prepare our workspace. You'll need granulated sugar, unsalted butter, and heavy cream, along with a few other pantry staples. Make sure your baking sheet is lined with parchment paper and have all your measuring cups and spoons ready. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Now let's create that delicious caramel base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your granulated sugar with a small amount of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it transforms into a beautiful deep amber color. Once it reaches this stage, carefully whisk in the unsalted butter and then the heavy cream until you have a smooth, luscious caramel. Be cautious, as the mixture will be very hot. With your caramel ready, it's time to add the crunch. Carefully pour the hot caramel onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet, spreading it evenly. Immediately sprinkle your desired crunchy toppings over the warm caramel. This could be anything from toasted nuts to crushed cookies. Let the caramel cool completely at room temperature. As it cools, it will harden, creating that satisfying crunch we're looking for. Once your caramel has fully cooled and hardened, it's time for the final step. Gently break the caramel into irregular, bite-sized pieces. You can use your hands or a small mallet for this. Store your delicious homemade caramel ribbon crunch in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain its freshness and crunch. It's perfect for snacking, topping desserts, or sharing with friends and family. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.